Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by claiming a regular daytime sleep window of 7-9 hours and treating it like a non-negotiable appointment. Once set, darken the room completely with blackout curtains and an eye mask to mimic night. This reduces light-driven melatonin suppression. Make sure to stop caffeine 6-8 hours before sleep and begin a 30-60-minute wind-down routine. Dim lights, quiet activities, and gentle stretching to signal your brain that sleep is coming. Once the room is dark and quiet, focus on physiology. Cool the bedroom to about 15-19 degrees C to lower core temperature and promote deeper sleep. Use steady white noise or a fan around 45-60 dB to mask household sounds and prevent microarousals. Make sure to time any melatonin 30-60 minutes before sleep if you use it. Low doses help shift your rhythm. Combine these with consistent bedtime cues so your body learns the new daytime sleep pattern. You finish by anchoring wakefulness. Get 20-30 minutes of bright light at shift end to shift your circadian anchor toward daytime sleep. When you need extra rest, take strategic naps of 20-90 minutes earlier in the awake period. Avoid long late naps that fragment your main sleep. If sleep remains fragmented or insomnia lasts more than 2 weeks, tweak timing by 30-60 minutes or consult a sleep specialist to troubleshoot underlying issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.